Britain is on storm alert with gale force winds and heavy rain forecast to batter the country over the weekend. A tropical blast of air from Europe is set to bring spring-like warmth to the UK in the coming days, with highs of 21°C in parts. But the Met Office has warned of a low-pressure system developing in the Atlantic Ocean that could turn into a named storm. Models show the massive band of stormy weather swirling eastwards off the northwest coast of the UK. Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England are expected to be in the firing line, while southern England will remain largely dry with patches of rain. Getty storm threat. A volatile low-pressure system is developing in the Atlantic Ocean. The Met Office is yet to issue any severe weather warnings that could indicate a named storm is brewing. A storm will be named when it has the potential to trigger severe "be prepared" or take action weather warnings. The next storm will be named Brian after Helene struck the UK with 75 miles per hour winds and torrential rain at the start of September. Forecasters from AccuWeather are warning that up to 7 named storms could slam into the UK before Christmas. Getty havoc. Atlantic storms bring strong winds and severe downpours to the UK. Related articles. It's looking unsettled on the weekend. Nicola Maxey, Met Office forecaster. Weather experts told Daily Star Online the remnants of a hurricane could also batter the UK this autumn. The remains of Hurricane Gertrude brought almost a week of weather mayhem to the country last month. But the Met Office said it is impossible to predict the number of storms that will strike the UK in the coming months. The weather across the world is getting wilder and weirder, causing chaos, death and destruction around the globe. Getty funnel cloud forms from a tornado in Turkey's Kastamonu district on August 13, 2016. Nicola Maxey, forecaster for the Met Office, said there are no named storms coming through London in the next few days. We can't predict how many storms are going to hit. On Tuesday we are looking at another day of fairly dry and sunny spells with low clouds to start with, but that will clear as we get through the day. There will be a bit of rain. There could be gale force winds in the northwest on Wednesday, but certainly the east and southeast of the country will hang on to that sunny weather. In the second half of this week the temperatures may start to pick up. It's looking unsettled on the weekend. A low-pressure system is developing in the Atlantic that may bring unsettled weather, but whether that will be a named storm it is too early to say. Related articles.